Family, Black Phoenix checking in. Wanted to show you the end result of the container bar. So, as you see, we finished doing all the extra repairs. I came up here and I put another tube across the front, so it eliminated the bend. And the only reason we had the bend was we was going with a different system at first, so it wasn't going to pull from the outside. And then he wanted to put the winch on there instead of the hydraulic, so that's what we did. But it turned out very well. Everything is up. Should be in motion. They should be using it within the next month or so. And hey, I'm proud of it. It turned out well. We got everything lined out. So, if you're looking to get you a container bar, give us a call. 480-430-6591. Hog on.